Okay, we're going to go ahead and walk through the Learning Coach account together since we kind of covered all the pictures. Let's kind of go through it together. So when the Learning Coach logs in, this is what they will see. First of all, that first tab is My Students. So they will be able to check all of their students' progress that are enrolled in OHVA. So they can switch to which student they would like to look at. And then here they'll be able to see what class connects are scheduled for that specific student, what assignments they need to be getting done, what assignments have been completed, due dates. They can see everything. If they click on the My Schedule tab, again, this is where all those class connects will be located for one of their students or all students, whoever's enrolled with OHVA. And then they can go back to previous days to look or go and kind of look ahead during the week to see what's coming up for their students as well. And same as the student, they can view it by day and view it by weekly view. So that's nice. Attendance. This is huge for learning coaches. We do require our learning coaches to enter attendance hours for their students. For high school kids, they need to be getting that 5 to 6 hours a day at least. And this is going to include everything, guys. This is going to include going to Class Connects, logging in and accessing courses, completing assignments, lessons, quizzes, tests, studying, reading, anything that is related to school that they are getting done, that needs to be counted. And with the high school, they should have no problem at all getting that 6 hours a day. If you can do it every single day, that's going to be great. If you can't, make sure that you get it in, at least a few times a week and make sure that there's no missing days. When you do click on that attendance tab, it's going to bring up this page. And this is, when you open it, it's going to be today's date. You can go back to previous dates. You can click that calendar and go back to any days that you missed, or your missing days are listed for you. So if you have any missing days, you can click that view and it will give you the exact dates that you need to go back into to log hours for. And like I said, it should be that 6 hours a day. Each course gets at least an hour. So when you click in the box, it automatically puts in that 60 minutes. You can edit that, obviously. You can add more, or if it is less for that day, you can add less. So anyway, you'll go in and enter your time for all the courses and make sure that when you're done entering that time, that you do want to go in and hit save at the end for that day. And then once you hit save, then you're done with the attendance for that day. And then obviously the next day you'll go in and you'll click that attendance icon and do it again. And that really, that's a lot of it for the learning coach. You have access always to grades at any time of the day, and also making sure that you log attendance for all of your students. You can see school announcements here. So anything, if we have an outage of some sort or, whatever's going on, you can always go to that announcements tab to kind of check that out.